So this is the magnet mk10 from France, imported to the UK. It's a Bowden tube magnet type connection with Capricorn tubing. There's the Capricorn tubing, discount voucher, and the hot end tubing. So this is the main Bowden tube. I'm told it's about 42 centimeters long, which is perfect. The extruder end for a Winsin Dual Gear Extruder, which is a mk10 10mm thread. And I'm told this needs to be 15mm from the base of the bolt to the end of the Bowden tube, so that's correct. You can see that the end of the Bowden tube has got a kind of thread, and the insert is completely locked in, so that's not going to move. That is also solidly fitted to the end, the hot end. So it slides down into the hot end. It's pushed in and then screwed into the hot end insert, and you're supposed to cut the end so it's flush against the bolt. So it'll look something like that. Then the magnet end, you just fit perfectly on top, and there's no way this is going to move. So it's a tight, solid connection, and then you can disconnect it fairly easily if you need to change the length of Bowden tube. It needs to be centered. So let's go and fit it to the Ender 3 Pro.